The month of October 2022 has been very successful. I'm very, very pleased with how this individual stock portfolio has performed, especially after the lackluster month that was September 2022. But October 2022 has been good. So let's look in further detail at my performance of my Charles Schwab stock portfolio account. As you see, the account gained $343.82, which again, I'm very, very happy with this. For the whole month of October, it's been a steady increase over the month, through the course of the month. The dotted line represents the money or indicates points of when I did fund the account, add more money to the account. And then, so you see three additions of funds, but the solid line, the solid blue line, is its value. Needless to say, you always wanted to see it go up, and that's what it's been doing for the most part throughout the month of October, increasing in value. That's why we invest in the first place, in the hopes that your investments will increase in value over time. That's pretty much the definition of investing. Now, will it continue? We'll see. I doubt it. I think I can't expect to have a month like this every single month, but we are going to be grateful for what we have and enjoy this successful month that was October of 2022. So the profits that I made, or what I gained from this account, again, it's $343.82. You see the increase over time, which is in stark contrast to September, which wasn't good at all. Now let's look at the value of my stock portfolio account. The beginning value is $2,800. This month I added $985. But on top of that addition of the funds, I gained $343.82 from my investments, which leaves us with an ending value of $4,135.57. The goal is to multiple goals, but the short-term goal is to get to $5,000 by the end of 2022, December 31st, 2022. No doubt that's going to happen unless the market just tanks. And the bigger goal is, and one of the reasons I created this series of videos, is to learn how to invest and learn how to grow a stock portfolio account to $100,000. Hopefully I can do that 5, 7, 10 years for sure, but I'm going to try to be really ambitious and grow it in 5 years. Now let's look at the rate of return. As you see, this stock portfolio account gained almost 11%, 10.78% through the month of October 2022. You see here the different lines indicates the different indexes. And so my account is the light blue line. And then you have the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which did really well this month. That's the purple line. The navy blue, kind of grayish bluish, is the S&P 500. And the Russell 2000 is the orange line. And then the NASDAQ is the green line, which performed less than the other indexes. Down here, we see the individual rate of return for each, not only my individual stock portfolio account, but the Russell 2000. And I'm always trying to see how I compare with these common indexes, because there's a big belief, rightly so, that you shouldn't even try to pick individual stocks. Just put your money in the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ or the Russell 2000, one of these common indexes that kind of give you a little coverage over the span of many stocks. So that is a definitely solid investment strategy if you want to be hands off, don't want to spend too much time researching and investing too much time. But I find it a challenge to see if I can outperform these common indexes. Well, my account this particular month, 10.78%, which is anytime I can get 8 to 10%, I'm ecstatic. So this was a wonderful month, to say the least. I didn't outperform the Russell 2000, which I haven't really outperformed the Russell 2000 these past months. That was 11%. I did, however, outperform the S&P 500, which was 8.1%. Then the Dow Jones Industrial Average had a phenomenal month, 14%. I can't compete with that. And then the NASDAQ, it was positive, so you still got a rate of return on your investments if you invested solely in the NASDAQ. But the tech stocks haven't been performing as great as these other common indexes or the stocks that are in these other common indexes. So overall, I'm so happy. I made a really good profit. Anytime I can get, almost got 11% this month based on my investments. Can I keep that going? I highly doubt it. I'll have to look back over the months. I started this stock portfolio account in June 8, 2022. I don't think I've ever had a month this profitable. And I don't know if this is going to be remotely normal to have months like this. I went from, I think last month, September, was probably down 10, 11%. This month was up 10%, almost 11%. Such is the stock market. I'm prepared for those fluctuations, that volatility. I'm certainly prepared for it, but I'm very happy of this individual stock portfolio's success this particular month. Hopefully we can keep it going through the rest of the year. We're going to see, and this channel is going to document that journey. If you like this video, hit that like button. I'd sure appreciate it. I also appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can get all the latest videos that show you how to get good at investing, how to make money, how to save money, how to invest money, so you can make money work for you instead of you having to work for money. Therefore, you can live life on your own terms. Anyway, it was a great month. I appreciate you following along on this journey. Hopefully these videos can help you out on your own investment journey and how to get better with money so you can one day reach financial freedom. I really appreciate you watching. All the best and take care.